In today's competitive business landscape, protecting proprietary information and business interests is crucial. That's where non-compete agreements come in. But what exactly are they? And what should you include to make them enforceable and effective? A non-compete agreement is a legally binding contract between an employer, an employee, or between two business parties, where one party agrees not to enter into competition with the other after the relationship ends. It's designed to protect trade secrets, client relationships, and intellectual property. Here are the core elements of a strong non-compete agreement. Parties to the agreement. Clearly define the names and roles of the parties involved. Non-compete obligation. This clause outlines that the individual agrees not to compete with the business within a certain industry, location, and time frame. Duration of restriction. Specify how long the non-compete obligation will last, typically 6 months to 2 years post-termination. Geographic scope. Define the specific geographical area where the restriction applies: city, state, country, or global. Scope of restricted activities. Detail what activities or roles are restricted, starting a similar business, working with competitors, soliciting former clients. Consideration clause. Mention what the individual is receiving in exchange: job offer, compensation, promotion, severance, or training. Confidentiality and trade secrets. Often paired with NDAs, this ensures that sensitive business information is protected. Remedies and enforceability. Include what happens in case of a breach, injunctions, legal action, or monetary damages. Governing law and jurisdiction. Specify which state or country's laws apply in case of dispute. For a non-compete to be enforceable, it must be reasonable in scope, geography, and duration, and must protect legitimate business interests without unduly restricting the individual's ability to work. Some jurisdictions, like California, may not enforce non-compete clauses at all. Non-compete agreements are common in tech, finance, marketing, and executive roles. Anywhere access to sensitive business strategy or client relationships is involved. To sum up, a well-drafted non-compete agreement safeguards your business, but it must be fair, specific, and legally compliant. Always consult legal counsel before drafting or signing one. Need help drafting enforceable non-compete agreements? Visit www.legittai.com. Draft a non-compete agreement in minutes.